Welcome back to the Emerald Manor. This is now the time that I will explain what is going on. There are strange happenings happening in the land of Oz, and we need your help to figure out what is going on. Someone is creating havoc. Someone has created disturbances in our magical land, and you need to be the one to solve the mystery. Throughout the year, every 2 weeks, you will be given clues to solve a mystery. You will need to solve that mystery in order to get a clue to solve the big mystery. The big mystery will go on all year, but there will be a new mystery every 2 weeks. Sometimes you will be involved. In fact, sometimes you may be even the culprit. Who knows? But if you solve the mystery, you will receive points on the leaderboard. If you don't solve the mystery, you could be one of those taken into the realm of the mysterious land of Oz. So let's all work together. Beginning tomorrow, we will be meeting, every one of us, at 2 o'clock to work on our collaborative groups to solve these strange mysteries that are happening in the land of Oz.